let's talk dairy. Yes or no? If you are on a carnivore diet, chances are that you are on it because you suffer from inflammation. So, milk products are rich in casomorphin. Casomorphin is a molecule that gets attached to your opium receptors, what makes it super addicted. The thing is that nature made it that way because you want your baby to desire to keep eating it. So they grow bigger, right? And stronger. But in our case, we grow only sideways. This makes it super addictive. So that is the number one problem, but then is a bigger problem that is the lack of the enzyme that we need to break down lactose, which triggers an inflammatory response. The casomorphin increases the cravings. You get more hungry. You tend to eat more than you should. I am sure you more than once started having that little piece, but maybe you were watching TV, distracted, and you just kept going and going. Well, yeah, that's the reason why. So, actually, it really makes you desire more and more. So, you get cravings, you get more cravings, you have an insulin response because it's high in calories, you get fat in your body. Why would you do that to yourself? It's better off to just eliminate it from your diet as well, because we can break down the lactose because we don't have that enzyme. We get an inflammation response. The inflammation response comes from the insulin spike, and it's not good. Overall, it's not good. I'm trying to explain it the best way I can. I'm sorry for you guys that have to hear me speaking such poor English. It's all I can do. Anyway, so another thing is that it's not very good for you because is in order for it to be legal to be sold needs to be pasteurized, which means that the protein molecules are damaged. So overall, dairy is bad for you if you suffer from inflammation. I hope I didn't make it too complicated and that you could understand why you should avoid it. You have worked so hard to get to where you are, or maybe you are just starting. Carnivore is the mother of elimination diets. If you cut everything, if you want my opinion, go for it. Cut everything that is not beef, salt, and water. The beef has to be fatty because it's very bad for you to eat high protein and low fat. And the reason is the kidneys. If you eat protein without fats, I'm going to make a video about that. You can get very sick because your body has to get rid of the ammonia in your body and raises your uric acid. Is complex, so we're not going to get into that right now. But the point is, fatty beef, water and salt. Give it time. You're going to have a little bit of a struggle depending on your metabolic state. I make 2 videos regarding first getting your mind set in the right place so you know what you are doing and why you are doing it. And if you're in a very, very bad metabolic state, perhaps the best way is to start eliminating simple carbs and then start eliminating complex carbs and just get your body to get used to it. Because if you go cold turkey and you are in really bad shape already, chances are you're going to have issues such constipation or diarrhea, or you are going to feel like throwing up a lot. And we don't want that, because when that happens, that is the reason why people quit. It's not that the carnivore doesn't work. is that we think that we are having like a healthy crisis. And it is a crisis. The body says this is a crisis, right? Because you are changing your fuel from glucose to ketones, and that is a crisis. But your body has to have the time to let go of one and grabs the other, to say it in a way that is easy to understand. So please drop the dairy. Do not have dairy. And I hope that I just can inspire you to feel as good as I do, because after what, 8 months of carnivore, my life has changed. In fact, I'm off my thyroid medication. That is absolutely worth it, if you ask me. I have dropped all the pounds and my energy is up, and that's the reason why I'm doing this, because I want to contribute to, if one person can listen to this video and feel inspired to change their life, I did my job. I hope that you ended 2025 in a very high, good, excited note. And I hope to see you in my next video. Poof! Bye-bye.